Yeah, that's not a good sign.
Not the best.
All I want to do was wash my car.
You can't do that, you've washed the bolt out of the fucking...
Yeah, I washed the bolt out of the shit belt. We've just gone to leave the car wash and I went to put it in reverse, and instead it's just become like this giant flaccid penis. Really not a good thing. Oh my god, it moves on its own.
No, I kind of need that one.
And so now Damien's helping by trying to steal a bolt from his engine bay.
Engine bay's just the beginning, mate.
Okay, so Rob found it. It was it rested on the exhaust. But look how many fucking washers is on it. Why? Brilliant.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, I honestly can't believe it didn't fall out earlier.
It probably looked worse before, so...
Yeah, nah, I guess. Yeah, alright. So shit.
Not bad. Working in the dark on the floor blind with one hand.
At least that bolt looks as though it belongs. Man, who built this car? Seriously. Yeah, also whilst painting this, not painting it, also whilst washing the car I knocked off all the paint from the bumper.
I hate
so
when you try and paint something and you blow the rest of the paint off. That's my favourite. Yeah, so before the video progresses, I thought I would give you just a rundown of things that are happening. We have an event coming up at Lakeside on the 20th of July. It's a race competition. There will be cars that are heavily modified and race spec, but we are also trying to get people to bring down the absolute shit boxes that they can. Just the cheapest runabout cars that they can possibly find to enter this race event. We've had a few people that have seen the stuff that's going on at Lakeside Raceway saying that, you know, is this going to affect the competition, the race that's going on? No, it will not. It will not affect us. It's only door-to-door racing that is affected at Lakeside, unfortunately. But that will not affect us or any other continuing events that are happening at Lakeside. The other things are, I was recently in a podcast with Gears and Beers. The link will be down below. I was really tired when I did that, and now that it's been a few days since we recorded that, I can't actually remember what I said. So it's going to be interesting for everybody involved. Probably made an embarrassment out of myself, but that's fine. But yeah, so make sure you check that out, and yeah, let's get back to it. Oh, look at that! It's a Civic!
Civic.
There's that mess of wiring. Oh, fun. So what's the... It still looks more organised than the one that's currently in the car.
It worked when I was on my car. That's all I'm saying. I think that one and that one, they go to your half harness, which is on the...
Oh, that's right.
The passenger side, yeah.
Because it goes up to here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it goes to there, and then you go...
That's right, because ours was missing, or ours. I really, yeah, mine,
but it was just...
It was missing a whole bunch of wires. It was worse beforehand.
Yeah, and then, where's that one? I don't know.
It's one.
I think it's that side. But there's a few of them. There's that one there, which goes into the brake booster, and I think that one goes near the brake booster as well.
This thing is hopefully meant to fix Vtec.
Hopefully.
I'm confused though. What's this other Civic that's out here? That one. What is this one?
My brother's daily.
Why did I look at this one and go, this is so much nicer than this?
Yes. James keeps telling me we should put the V18 setup in that.
Bet you it has all the interior.
It has all of the interior.
Like this thing. If anybody remembers, because I don't actually think it was in many videos, this was Tobias's Civic. It still is Tobias's Civic. It's just he got a Lexus and he stopped caring about it. Well, he stopped caring about it before he got the Lexus, but that was sort of the tipping point. Like this, he's got a tacho that you can't see in the daylight. Have you noticed that?
No, the car never ran when I got it.
Oh, really? When I drove it for a few weeks, I couldn't see the tacho because I don't know, he just hadn't wired it up so you could see it, so you could only see it at night when the lights were on. Oh, the dizzy was just a constant problem.
Yeah, it still is.
Good to know. Ooh, engine bays. Well, it's not shiny, but it's like shinier than anything I own.
It's in there, and he has a turbo and manifold for it.
Wait, which model is this? This isn't the same model I had.
This is an MA61.
Yeah.
Mark II. I think it shares the same. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it shares the same.
This
body
is the
as
this is the
R8.
Celica Supra then, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's Celica Supra.
Yeah, because everybody else kept calling it Supra, so I assumed it was the MA70.
No, it's RA65 shell, I think, but it's just a different front end.
Yeah.
So I know people do like the front end swaps, or they'll put the hatch on, which has like the wing on it as well.
Oh yeah, that's what
got-
John Anderson has.
Yeah, they got the roof wing.
I remember that they can have like the chunkiest fucking tires on the rear.
They're fucking huge.
The cars are big. They're just big cars.
Big.
It's a big car.
It's a very big car.
And where's your little turbo on your Civic?
My little turbo.
Jesus fuck. You're kidding, right?
No.
Is that seriously what's going on it?
It's staying.
Holy shit! It's bigger than both the cams put together. What? Why?
To make power.
That's insane. Okay.
Should be alright.
Yes, hi, hello.
This is James. I pestered James on the way home and he's like, yeah, bring the loom over and we'll cover it now.
James fixes
James regrets this decision already.
Well, I mean,
Because what were you doing just before I arrived?
this one.
That loom. For that piece of shit.
Yay, Subarus.
just Subaru thing.
Just Subaru things.
At least the motor's in there.
Yeah. I wish it rained.
How long has it been like this?
I put that all in about a year ago.
How long has the motor been in there?
2 years ago.
Jesus. Look at this fucking monstrosity.
But wait, there's more. That's only the body harness.
That's just
Still
nuts.
gonna make the engine harness.
What the fuck is this?
They're not mounted yet.
It's tiny.
It's the only thing I could buy.
It's literally the only thing that would fit.
No, I have plenty of space. See?
Because I can just imagine that this fucking hose is really gonna love getting a little bit closer.
No, it's not that hose you got to worry about. It's the other one. It's this one. Oh!
Yeah, alright. So it's been several days to weeks along in this video. It's jumping all over the place. I'm sorry about that, but each time we try and work on this car, we don't get it fixed and we don't get much done, so it's better to just cut it up. But yeah, so the things that have changed is I now have these awesome super shit seats in the car. My mate Liam, who's working on my Scorpion, took these out of his Scorpion and was like, I have no use for them. And I went, can I have them? He's like, yes, have them. So I threw them in here. They are not racing seats, they're advertised as racing seats, and I'm sure they would convince somebody that they're racing seats, but they are not. Yeah, to be honest, I'm just glad that like the stock seats don't have these on the side, and so I'm just kind of happy right now that I'm not turning to the right from the passenger seat, so it's kind of all I was after. Yeah, so we also have tried to fix the Vtec once again, but the Vtec doesn't work even though we've wired up everything specific to the way that it should be wired up.
Okay, so we have plugged another ECU in. This one's a P28, this one's a P30, the old one, so it already runs better, so hopefully it works.
feels like it runs better.
Going to Macca.
P28s. ECU OBD1 codes. 21 Vtec control solenoid. We've now got a different solenoid because even though the solenoid works when we put it onto direct power, I don't know, maybe it just doesn't work. Was that meant to go anywhere?
So what? Like attempt number 300? Oh, fuck you! I have no idea. I am completely out of options. Other than get an ECU and tune it and just tell it to fucking turn on, but... I don't know if you can see it. Right here. Yeah, that is a coolant line. The zip tie is a hose clamp. Awesome. No wonder he's fucking leaking. So we've decided to try one more thing. One last thing. Doesn't work, then we're giving up. Unless any one of you guys wants to come to my place and fucking fix it for us, but seriously. That's it. Last call. Doesn't work this time, that's it. We're done. No! We give up! We're no longer doing this torture anymore. I've had enough. That's it, we're done.
Yep.
That's it.
I got nothing. I literally have nothing. I am over it. I'm so fucking done.
Yeah, we're done. That's it. Oh my god. Okay. We're done. Today. It is Tuesday. We'll get back to it on the weekend. Actually, no, fuck it, we won't. We'll do other stuff on it on the weekend.
I'm just not going to bother about the VTech.
Ow.
Yeah. Is it recording? There we
is
go.
recording.
So that's another video where time is being completely wasted. Nothing got accomplished, and yeah, fucking yeah. I'm pretty done. I just don't give a shit.